Hi, I'm Lindsey Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies without using eggs or dairy. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 2½ cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 cup of coconut oil. The first step to this recipe is to combine our flour, cornstarch, and baking soda into one bowl and set it aside. Next, we're going to take our hand mixer and combine our powdered sugar with the rest of our ingredients and mix on medium until the mixture is nice and smooth. I mixed the batter for about 2 minutes, and now, as you can see, it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to take our dry mixture and slowly combine it with the liquid mixture that we have now. Now that our dough is evenly combined, we're going to cover it and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Once it's done, we can either roll it out to make cookie cutter cookies, or you can roll the dough into little balls to decorate your cookies afterwards. It's been about 2 hours, so let's check on our cookie dough to see how it's doing. The cookie dough looks good and ready to go. So now we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Now you have the option to either spoon out tablespoons of cookie dough and place them directly on the cookie sheet, or you can roll out the cookie dough on parchment paper and cut out your favorite cookie cutter shapes. Today we're going to roll out the dough into small balls and put them onto the cookie sheet and bake for about 12 minutes. Make sure your cookie dough balls are about 2 inches apart so that they don't touch whenever they're baking. Now that our cookie dough balls are all rolled out, we're going to bake it for about 12 minutes. But be careful to check on your cookies, as they can burn really easy. So about every 5 minutes, just peek on them, because you want to make sure that the edges of the cookies are golden brown. It's been about 12 minutes, so let's see how our cookies look. The cookies are nice and golden brown and look great. Now let them cool for about 30 minutes on a cooling rack, and once they're done, you can either eat them as is or decorate them with your favorite icing. I'm Lindsey Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make sugar cookies without eggs or dairy.